Hey guys, we are back with another Moore's Model Farms YouTube video for you. We got a nice little display set up today. They're going out to throw some, they have some ryegrass growing up in their corn stubble, so they're going to go out and spray that. Got the KBH nurse tank trailer, and you got your little Rogator 1254. They got custom with black top. Got your dealer truck. They stopped by. And this is a row crop farm, so they'd run about 1,000 acres. Oh, that's cattle land. They'd run about 1,500 acres of cotton and about 500 acres of corn that they use for the mill. And that's your little beef operation. Not much. You got your electric fence. And then this would lead back to where all the beef is. All the beef cows are. So that'd be your Angus cows. Strictly for market. Got your nice big cattle trailer there too, with all your cake trucks. Like I said, row crop operation, so row crop duals on practically all of the tractors. Got your nice little tillage right here. They haven't started, they're just getting it serviced. They have it parked over here. And then inside you got all your other higher class expensive tractors. The stronger horsepower. Got a 8320R, all dual row crop duals, with a stack fold corn planter over there. And then you have your 9420 John Deere 4-wheel drive with the 35-foot field cultivator. And then they harvested all that corn that they just got done with. They had a 9670 STS bullet rotor. It's your little KBH side dresser that was used back in the spring. And then there's your 2012 CP690 cotton picker. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Moore's Model Farms.